me. 1, 2, 3 for me. 1, 2, 3 for me. And 1, 2, 3, 4 for me. And why do you do that? I hate when you do that.
Ah, that never fails to amuse me. Oh, come now. You're certainly not going to let the fact that I got the better of you ruin, quite possibly, one of our finer performances to date. You were inspiring today. Focused, fully in the moment. Exceeding well beyond what your talent would indicate.
Thanks a lot.
And I... well, suffice it to say, the performance of my death today would have shamed Prometheus. Bound to a cliff.
Okay, Zozi, with the cliff and the thing. Sheesh. I wish you could hear yourself. It's really quite irritating.
Critics. And what, pray tell, are you doing now?
I'm divvying up the spoils. What do you mean?
This again. Why not just pool our assets? We're always together as a team.
No. Fair is fair.
You're not planning on keeping that, are you?
What are you talking about? He gave it to me.
Yes, but he's a child. It is a ring for royalty, and you should know better.
Yeah, well, maybe I don't.
Well, I can only hope one day you will.
There we go. Perfectly balanced, my friend. Here.
Perfectly balanced.
Oh, yeah.
Both sides are the same.
Exactly even.
Good! Then you won't mind if I take this side.
Whoa, wait a second there, fella. What happened to pooling our assets?
Will you give the prince back his ring?
Well, what's the hurry? He's not going anywhere. She.
In his bed, and
he searched the ground. And?
Nothing. He's gone.
Where? Oh, good heavens. What is this? A clue? We must inform the peasants.
Good people of Moscow. The prince has been kidnapped. But I know who has stolen our sire, for she left this iron tooth behind. Baba Yaga!
Baba Yaga?
Yes, Baba Yaga. Can anyone help us? Think, good people, think. Who can rescue our prince from the evil Baba Yaga?
I know someone.
Hey, Zozi, will you take it easy up there?
Arrgh, avast there, me pint-sized matey. Man the hill, batten down the hatches.
Rough seas ahead. There's a storm a-coming.
Heave-ho hard a starboard.
All hands, clear the deck. Slice the mainsail.
Enemies on the horizon.
What, somebody's coming?
Arrgh, I spy with my little eye. Cossacks. Cossacks! Cossacks! I knew you shouldn't have kept that ring!
Quick, hide! If they see you're not dead, we will be. Hurry! Hurry, hide! Halt! All right, he's halting.
Are you Bartok the Magnificent?
No, I'm not. Never have been. Although I hear he is quite gifted, a real talent.
Silence!
All right then, now just be quiet then. That's no problem for me. To be quiet, I'll just shush it right down.
You are coming with us.
Oh no, fellas, I have a thing. Okay then, that'll be fun.